Available for everybody, guys. Please confirm. Yeah. So different, dear students. Yeah. Yes, ma. Thank you for your very nice response from all of you. Nice response from all of you. Dear students, today we met here with a great aim. We met in our class with a great aim, and we are going to achieve it in the class. We are going to achieve it in the class. So please pay good attention towards my class and try to listen very carefully. Yeah, our main aim of this course, please switch off your videos, guys. I am humbly requesting to all of you. I am requesting to all of you, please switch off your mobile. Pratiksha Jaiswal, switch off your video. If anybody starts the video, I will remove from the meeting. I will remove from the meeting compulsory. Dear students, I am requesting to all my students, please switch off your video. Because once you start switch on the video, I'm getting disturbance in giving the explanation because it is playing in my middle of the screen. That's why I'm requesting to all the students, please switch off your video. Yeah, come on to the point of it. Now, we are, listen all of you. Naman Jain. Okay. So Naman Jain, if you have any other class, please leave the session. Okay. Please leave the session. I'm not going to worry about your things. Okay. So you please go out of the class. We are not bothering about it. So because of you, we never go for doing anything here. Okay. So please, this is the one of the class and we are going to use this. Please let us listen very carefully this part. The course, the things we are going to discuss in this class is logic building with we are going to discuss the most important topic called what? Logic building with C language as well as with what? Java. So here we are going to talk about the sessions, and this is the most important session here, of course, which I want to tell you lot of things inside the class today. How to get the job in 2021 is the main agenda of this logic building classes what I am conducting in the class. Please carefully follow and try to achieve something. Fine. Before going to that, let me give my introduction for 2 minutes. And if you don't mind, dear students, I'm asking you, how many of you heard about my name? Please say yes. Please say all of you. How many of you heard about my name? Yes. Very good. It's nice. Please raise the hands also. If unable to type it, please raise the hands also. Right. Fine. It's nice. Yama. Right. Super. It's nice. Thank you. It's nice. Okay, ma. Right. So 90% of the students who present here, 90% of the students who are available here, they heard about my name. So let me give you a small introduction, guys. Please carefully follow all of you. So I'm KVR, and my qualification is Masters in Engineering, and then I'm Masters in Engineering, and then now I'm a PhD in Computer Science. PhD in computer science. That is called a DA. My subject is, please carefully listen, ma. Our total target is how to get the job in 2021. How to get the job in 2021 is my total target in this class. So I'm a doctorate. So please, yes, ma. I will tell my full name also. Don't worry. My full name is not necessary. Dear students, please don't worry, ma. Please let us enter into the subject. This DA stands for Design and Analysis of Algorithms. Design and Analysis of Algorithms. Design and Analysis of Algorithms. This is a topic, which is a data structure, extension of data structures. Extension of data structures. So, data structures. Dear students, carefully follow what I am talking so that you can get the main agenda of this class is how to get the job in 2021. Towards that, I'm going to talk about it. Fine. With my explanation, at least 80% of the people can change their life. 100%, 80% of the students can change their life and can settle their things in the life. Right. So I have total experience. I have my total experience. Out of that, I have total experience, 23 plus years of experience, 23 plus years of experience, the most experienced faculty. And I started with C, C++, and later implementation of C, C++ with the data structures, and later DA. These are the royal subjects in the software industry. Even still, lot of embedded systems, operating system development, a big system level applications started developing with this. Carefully follow, students. Later, I enter later from the past 18 years onwards, working with complete Java. And the next, this is my total years of experience. We are the coding expert. In these languages. And very shortly, and we are going to start with the design and analysis of algorithms and etc. From the past 8 years, we are entering into the Python with the data science, related coding part. It's a expert of Python. In the coding part, expert in coding. Right. Dear students, and don't feel that sorry is written its experience and all those things. As on today, we worked in one of the biggest company, along with my teaching career by taking some lectures. Along with that, we have a real-time experience of around, in this 23 years, we have 18 years as a solution architect. Solution architect means what? Who provide the excellent coding concepts. So this is my industry experience. This is my 18 years of industry experience. And before that, I was in the teaching career, corporate training level. Of my total career is with industry dominated subjects called these things. Yes, ma. Rohan Mitra, exactly. Capgemini as a solution architect, I am in. Right. So why these classes are conducting, sir? And nowadays, to get a job in the industry, what exactly we need? To get a job in the industry, what exactly we require? That is what first I want to talk about in the class. I want to talk first in the class regarding how to get a job. Carefully listen. How to get a job in IT, that to development, not tech support and all. How to get a job in IT development, 2021, that is my target. And works for minimum 30 years of your life. minimum 30 years of your life. That is the main intention of 30 years of your life. This is the main agenda of today's class. Then I will enter into the C programming, C Java programming, Python programming is my left hand, left finger to inject the logics in the mind of yours. Is a mind of yours. Fine. So carefully try to listen everybody. I am requesting to all my students, please follow my guidelines strictly. Okay, so see the title of it, see my experiences and carefully try to take it. I trained lakhs of students in my 23 years of experience, and a lot of people are working in the product-based companies and project-based companies. 80% of every batch of mine, every batch, 80% of the students will be placed in good companies. Sir, how, sir? With my expertism in the coding. Right. Let me explain, dear students, how to get a job in the software industry. Is my today's class explanation. And please listen, all of you, very carefully. Right. Once again, I am requesting, carefully listen, and I will enter into your brain and I will inject my coding standards. I'll make as a best into your mind, and I want to make it to enter. Right. Dear students, to get a job, first what we need? We need the beautiful skill, the one and only one skill. Of course, dear students, to get a job, first and only one skill, that is called a problem solving skill. Problem solving skills required. So it is one of the I feel, of course, at a student level, this is a very, very difficult. I am faced, yeah. Listen, listen. You listen, you go on listening me. See how I will enter into your brain, how I will polish your brain, and later we enter into the subject. That is my subject called C, Java, Python. How I am going to change your things, how I am going to enlightening your skills. You can't imagine it, how I am going to enlighten your skills, dear students. To get a job in IT development in 2021, yes, ma, I am explaining this concept for zero programming knowledge student. You may be IT student. Let me write, ma. You may be IT student, comma, you may be non-IT student. You may be non-IT student. You may be a degree student. You may be an engineering student. You may be a pharmacy student. You may be a dental science student. You may be a commerce student. You may be a some etc. Whatever the student you are, you are an IT student, you are a non-IT student, whatever it is. Compulsory we require to have a problem solving skills. Sir, to get a problem solving skills, what to do, sir? The one of the most important thing, whether you will accept it or not, I don't know. Problem solving skills is especially inculcating from the faculty only. I am saying once again these points. Faculty is the role model for the students to inculcate the problem solving skills. From the faculty only everything will come. That to 80% success rate I achieved so far in my 23 years of experience. 80% of success rate I achieved. 80% success rate I achieved it. You may ask a question, sir, what about that 20%, sir? 20%, I will tell you. If you take any person, of course, I am not boasting about my class. It's a branded for Java as well as Python, as well as C and C++, etc. 80% of the success rate I can achieve from you, provided if you do my regular things, what I'm going to do it in the class. So problem solving skills, I can enter into your brain with 80% success rate. Under 20% of the people, I cannot give a guarantee. Why? Because they can't attend the classes properly, number one. They can't solve the problems. They can't solve the problems what I used to give. They can't read the notes what I give. They can't do the case studies what I give. They can't think about the project ideas. They can't think about the analytical skills. These are all called student effort. So 80%, if you are a very much committed student without programming knowledge, I am fully responsible for you, because I am entering into your brain C, Java, Python. What skills are required to get a job in IT? What type of skills are required to get an IT job in the software industry? I'm going to talk about today. For few minutes, I will talk. Then I will enter into the subject area. Last and final, I'm going to give you the clarity. To get a job in the software industry, you may be an IT student, you may be a non-IT student, you may be a degree student, you may be an engineering student, you may be a pharmacy student, whatever you are. I will take you as a dummy student to my input. As a dummy student to my input. I'm going to give you one small PowerPoint, one small example here. I'm giving one small example here. So KVR classes, coding classes. The name itself is called coding classes. Who is this person? Illiterate. A non-IT person, illiterate in computer science, non-IT person, non-coding person, non-IT person, or any person you are, a non-IT person, that is nothing but a zero programming student, zero programming knowledge. Carefully follow. Any person, no problem. Any person who is having the zero knowledge, my class will take you as an input. And I will make you as an expert in the subject. You write on the top of the page. I'll make you as an expert. I'll make you as an expert in the class. Expert in coding. Expert in problem solving. Because my total experiences from the beginning of my career is an expertism in the subject part. Dear students, you come with an aim to my class, attend my classes thoroughly, and I will make you as an expert. Good. Let me move forward to this. Place. Please listen carefully, ma. Please don't type anything, duration and all this. I will make you. Please come to the point. If you want to solve any kind of problem solving, sir, what type of habits must be there? How you can inculcate in the class? I have a lot of techniques. First of all, in my explanation only, you will get 70% analytical skills will come. Dear students, to solve the programming skills, we require some abilities. Those abilities I will make you to inculcate in the class. Those abilities I will make you to learn in my class. What are those abilities? Now I am writing. Abilities required to get, to solve the problems. By using what? C language, by using C++, by using Python, by using Java, by using even .NET also. Not at all an issue. The abilities required to solve the problems by using C, C++, Python, etc. Whatever language you give it, I will make you to learn with the left hand, left finger. That is our experiences. Most of your friends are my students. You take their opinion to get the picture into that. So I will make an opinion. I will make you to get expert in that, because I already, once if I said in the class means that is a pakka, which I am going to make it. What are the abilities required to get problem solving with these languages? And very coolly try to listen my class. number one ability required. What is the number one ability required? I will inculcate in the class, you require to have analytical skills. Analytical skills. Generally, what is the common word is coming in the software industry? What is the common word is coming from all of you? Number one, sir, we are understanding concepts, sir, but we are not understanding logics, sir. Am I correct or not? We are understanding concepts, sir, but logics we are not getting, sir. Am I right or not? Am I right? Please confirm. Please confirm this type of things when I am asking, because you can understand how much experience and how much survey I made it. We are understanding concepts, sir, but we are not understanding logics. That means the person did not reach to your brain. Yes, that is a common problem. Not only you, 90% of the software industry people are facing this problem only. What? They will understand the concept. They can't have the mapping power. Mapping power is not there. Mapping power means what? I want to generate an account number automatically. For example, financial application or banking application. I want to generate the account number automatically. To generate the account number automatically, we require to have some logics. In C language, how to do it. In C++, how to do it. In Python, how to do it. In Java.NET, how to do it, sir. How to do it, sir? We need to understand. Yeah, my Python students are jumping like anything. Wait. Listen, all of you. So, come on to the point of it. This type of general logics, general requirements to be mapped to the subject. To do this type of thing, faculty will play an important role. So faculty should make to understand, make you to get in the class analytical skills. First point I am writing, analytical skills. Analytical skills I am going to explain first. So what is this analytical skills? Analytical skills is nothing but when a problem is given, we must have analysis skills, understanding the problem, how to understand the problem, how to make it to divide into different tokens, and how to write the coding in your favorite language. C language, how to write the code, C++, how to write the code, Python, how to write the code, Java, how to write the code. And logics, in my view, I am telling to you, dear students, and don't feel that sorry is boosting. In my view, logics is my left hand, left finger, which I can inculcate into your brain like anything. It is my challenging. Because most of the things we are entering into this thing, not a normal kind of thing. We are entering into the lead code and then hackers rankers kind of websites we are using, and those kind of challenges we are entering into the class. So analytical skills are nothing but analysis skills, understanding the problem and analyzing the problems very perfectly, analyzing the problems. That type of analytical skills I am going to explain in the class. So during my discussion of C, C++, Python and etc., whatever the language you are learning from me, there we are talking about the analytical skills, how to analyze the given problem, how we are going to solve the problem, that I am going to explain in the building, logic building using C language. Yes. Second, I am going to go for next, innovative and creative thinking. Innovative, I am writing carefully follow. Innovative and creative thinking. Creative thinking. Sir, what exactly this is? Suppose most of the friends are analyzed. Most of the friends analyzed. Come on. Most of the friends are analyzed. They prepared a solution. Everybody got the output. But some of the students' results are going to execute very fastly. Very fastly they are. Yes, ma, Saipun Ray, very good. You are there. Okay, your brother is my student already. Okay, I know. Yeah. Innovative and then creative thinking means what? Some of the people will be writing the code very fastly. They are executing the code. Very fastly they are executing the code. How it is happening? Just because of what? Creative thinking. Sir, how to write the creative thinking, sir? Creative thinking, how to write it? How to improve our innovations? These are all called what? Concept is understanding, sir, but logic is not coming, sir. That is called a problem. That is only the problem. Every person can understand the concept, but what is happening? Logic is not coming. That means concept they did not explain in depth. Concept they did not explain in depth. That is the problem. Okay. Third ability need to be improved in the class. Third ability which I am going to improve in the class is a lateral. I am writing lateral. Please understand this technical word. Lateral mindset. It's a wonderful point. A lateral mindset is nothing but what? A manner of lateral mindset. I am giving a simple meaning for it. So they will ask you in the good big companies, are you having lateral mindset? They will ask you, what is the meaning of it? Lateral mindset. How to create a lateral mindset in C language? What is the meaning of it? These are all called very, very important things. When you go to the bigger company, Sun Microsystem, Microsoft, and all those things, they will ask you, explain your analytical skills. They will ask you, what is that? You can't speak even one word also. We can't speak. I will explain what are the analytical skills in the class. What is meant by innovative? What type of innovative and creative thinking you have? Explain by yourself, they will ask you. Because our total target is a product-based companies. And luckily, as on today, most of the companies are not worrying about your percentages. That you have to, one of the thing you need to have it, because in our point of it, in our IT industry, from the mid of 2020 onwards, now the present world which is going on, percentages is not going to become a big problem, because most of the people are seeing about these kind of things. Okay, let me come to this capabilities. Lateral mindset, nothing but manner of solving problems. Manner of solving problems, manner of solving problems using, I'm writing some technical word, manner of solving problems using an indirect and creative approach. Using, what is that? Creative, using creative and creative approach. In using indirect, I missed that word, indirect and creative approach. Creative approach. That is nothing but creative approach. It is nothing but one more word I will write. Thinking out of box. This is one of the English word, out of box. Thinking out of box. This is called one of the most important word of what? Lateral mindset. So whether you know it or not, if anytime if you go to high-tech city, try to see one important thing. Sun Microsystem people, Microsoft people are keeping some type of separate cell. Separate cell is kept. Anyone can visit to the Microsoft office. They can submit a letter which is thinking out of the box. They used to write on the board, we require a professionals who are thinking out of the box. Means what? A small example I used to tell. Even in my classes also I used to tell. If you take swapping of two numbers, dear students, carefully understand. If you take swapping of two numbers, people will write one or two logics. People will write one or two logics. I will tell out of the box, 6 to 7 logics, I will tell you. 6 to 7 logics, I will tell you. I will tell you the logic to my students. Bitwise operators, swapping logic I used to tell. This is an out of the box. This is an out of the box, which is the most powerful solution in the software industry. Yes, I will explain in the classes. I am going to explain this. See, our heading is this only. I will explain in the classes, ma. Don't worry. Today, I am just trying to tell you about how I will make you as an innovative student and how Sari is going to explain about the subject in the class. And all my students who are there for Java as well as Python, we are going to talk about the how to make you as a lateral mindset student. Lateral mindset student. Be careful, ma. Try to understand. Try to understand. Next, I am going to enter into the fourth. Yes, ma, this course is, all of you listen. You utilize my classes first for 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 days about what? 10 to 15 days about this is free classes for you. This we are offering for free. This is offering free. This we are offering for free for 10 to 15 days. I am going to talk about this type of language. I am going to talk about this C language. Actually, I planned for what? This planned for extension is what? Extension is data structures we are planning. Data structures we are planning. Data structures we are planning. Right? So this is a royal subject in the software industry. If you will learn these data structures and other languages will be dead easy. Yeah, anything you can learn it. Anything you can learn it. No? This is a C with the data structures kind of thing. So first 15 days we will talk about the logic building using C language, Java, Python, C++, etc. Yeah, all those things, Python, etc. All those things. Once we learn the logic in one of the area, other language areas are dead easy. I will tell you, ma. I will tell you how to convert into other languages. Once again, I am saying first 15 days I will take this logic building classes and which is absolutely free. Which is absolutely free. Please utilize my session. Please utilize my session. Get the KVR classes, KVR coding classes, try to get it. And how your career will be changed, you cannot imagine it. Right. Fourth point I am talking about adaptability and flexibility. Adaptability, adaptability, and then flexibility. Just trying to spell out this word, this itself will go forward. Flexibility, flexibility, adaptability, and flexibility. First of all, are you following my English? Are you following my English, guys? Please confirm once. Please confirm. Are you following my English, first of all of you? Everybody try to confirm. Yeah. Adaptability as well as flexibility. So analytical skills, first you need, this is called analyzing the given problem. Analyzing the given problem. Okay, very good, Ma. Now let us come to the point. Analyzing the given problem. Analyzing the given problem. Analytical skills means what? Once a problem is given, how to analyze it, how to decompose this into a smaller pieces, which I'm going to. Innovative and creative thinking. How best application we can write it, what type of innovations and creative thinking we can do. These are all provided by the faculty only, where student can follow very, very easily. Lateral mindset. We are hearing some of the student in IIT selected in one company with a 2 crores rupees salary per annum, with a 10 lakhs per month. They are all having what? Lateral mindset, manner of solving the problems with using indirect creative approach, thinking out of the box. That's why they are getting that much salary. If you start thinking, there is no doubt at all, you also will reach to the destination. Next, adaptability and flexibility means what? When SAR says some logic, you adopt it and try to be a flexible by yourself to innovate, to think about extension to it, to think about extension to it. Yeah, I'm going to tell all these things in my coding part. I'm going to tell all these things in my coding part. How to improve your analytical skills, how to improve your innovative and creative, and how to make it as a lateral mindset, how to go for adaptability, all these things. Now, look at ma. Some of the people are asking without learning subject. So what is the package for freshers? First of all, subject only not there. How can you get the package? They won't give single rupee also. They won't give single rupee also unless and until we need to have a perfect problem solving skills. They can't even make the student to enter into the company steps also once we don't have the perfect coding skills. How to get the perfect coding skills? Only from the teacher you will get it. Even it is 2021, 2022, 2030 also, problem solving skills compulsory required. Without problem solving skills, we cannot achieve anything else. Dear students, first of all, make this thing one thing granted. Are you understanding adaptability and flexibility? Adaptability makes us to think about practicing what SAR is giving, that we need to habituate to get it. and then be flexible to solve similar kind of thing, many number of things, what sir is giving in the form of case studies. Next, fifth point I am talking about here. Fifth point I am talking about, what is that? Level. This is all industry terminologies. Level headed. Level what? Headed. Level headedness. Level headedness is important. Come on to the point. Yes, ma. I'm getting some small. Yes. So many requests are getting. For any non-IT student, I am suggesting for all of you. First to go for how to solve the problem solving skills. What our students are doing, directly entering into some class where they are finishing within 10 days, 15 days as a fast track and all, which is all called all disturbing your career. Fast track, super fast track, and then 10 months, 4 days, so 15 days, so 1 month courses they are doing. Because of that, existing skills are losing. You are losing your existing skills. You prefer a faculty who has a doctorate in computer science. They are the suitable people for you to solve your requirements, because they have all these things they studied in their research, and they will try to adapt in their classes, so that you are most eligible to get the job. That job will come 100%. Let me talk about the level headedness. It is one of the technical word again. Level headedness. What is that? Intelligent. Making the student as intelligent. Making the student as intelligent, or strong minded, or sensitive decision maker. Making. See how important terminology this is, how important work it is. Every person will have the same brain, but how to make the student as level headed? Your level is improved, your headedness, your intelligence is put it into your mind, and you are going to improve your headedness, level headedness. People are talking, I'm a head of the department. He's level headed. One person is a principal, he's a level headed. You are a CEO, you are level headed. You are a team lead, you are a project manager, you are a system analyst, you are a solution architect. Your level headedness, how it is coming? Because of your intelligence. Making intelligent, making intelligent, number one. Or we can also give it as what? Making strong minded. How it is strong minded? Who can solve the problems very easily? Level headedness people only can solve it. Who will make it? SAR only has to make it. A student voluntarily cannot do it. Voluntarily, the thoughts will not come. How thoughts will come? Only because of the faculty, only because of the coding person who has a credible experience and who has a research experience. Then only the programming knowledge has to come. And lot of things are coming. Sir, I am able to write the program what you taught, sir, but unable to write the program on my own, sir. That is also one small, very regularly complaints people will be. Actually, we are coming across. What is the problem? It is only the problem of what? A faculty is not making the student to aware of what is happening in industry. What is happening in industry? Industry is easy, but people are making everything so complex. People are making us as a frag in the well. We have to come out of that kind of traditional education. We have to enter into the modern level-headedness education, so that you are intelligent and you are strong-minded can be elaborated, can be enlightening. Now, next I am writing here, sensitive decision maker. This is a very, very important. Sensitive decision maker. Sensitive decision maker. Decision maker. That is nothing but what? Whoever is having this person, they are called what? Level-headedness. Best example, when we completed our masters in engineering, we are not able to do the things very quickly. But after seeing the industry, we felt that, oh, it's very, very important. What we studied academics is not enough. We require special training. We require a separate coding. That's why I chosen my entire career in the coding only. I chosen my entire coding in the coding in this kind of areas only. That's why we can credibly and we can say proudly we are the coding expert. Whatever languages I am teaching, Java you take it, and Python you take it. When I handle these sessions very frequently, we are just enlightening the skills like anything. Data structures, linked list, double linked list, circular queues, stacks, binary trees, AVL trees, Kruskal's algorithm, Prim's algorithm. These are all we are telling about the coding part in the class. You can understand what coding expertism we are having in the class. How all these things? It is only coming because of the faculty. Sir, what is the sixth capability required? Next is called what? Initiativeness. Initiativeness. Yes, initiativeness. Initiative. I want to go for initiative. What is meant by this initiative, sir? Taking an opportunity. Taking an opportunity. For example, you take a charge before others do. That is called initiative. For example, today I taught one program for you. What generally we have the psychological power. Generally, what we think psychologically, we think that okay, tomorrow we will do. Day after tomorrow we will do. Tomorrow we will do. Day after tomorrow we will do. Like that type of thinking people are having. So they will go on postponing it. They don't have the initiative skills. Taking a charge before others should do, because when we are going to participate in coding competitions, coding competitions, when you go to the Accenture, when you go to the Capgemini, when you go to some product-based companies, they will give one code and they will ask you who will initiate first, who will show the output first, they will be selected. That type of initiative context and the competitions will be conducted. Who will do that? Who has all these capabilities? Then only they are able to do the things very, very perfectly. Unless and until we are not doing that, we will not become perfect. Next, seventh capability is required. Seventh capability. These are all called what? A student must have to get the job. A student must have to get the job. If a student doesn't know all these things, they will not get the job. Of course, as a part of my class, we are going to see all these things only because of what? 100% problem solving skills. If you are getting one by one, these are adopted and habituated in your brain. And the next seventh is called what? One more is called resilience. Resilience. Resilience power is required. What exactly the meaning of resilience? What is this meaning of it? It is the ability. It is the ability to face setbacks. To face. I'm writing to face setbacks. So what exactly meaning of it? The meaning of this is, if any problem is occurring in our project, if any problem is occurring in my problem, if any problem is occurring in my coding, how to dominate that? Such a type of power of subject we need to get it. Suppose some error is occurring, we can't wait for that error hours together or minutes together or somebody help. We need to have the ability to solve it. Resilience power means what? Ability to fight against the problem. Ability to fight against the problem. How to get it? With a good subject, with a deep knowledge, ability to fight. I will write ability to fight, ability to dominate the problem, ability to dominate the problem, ability to dominate the problem. That type of thing will come only because of deep subject. Deep subject, whoever learns, this resilience power is automatically coming. This resilience power is automatically coming. Next one is going to be called what? Next one I'm going to introduce. This resilience power is coming. Next is called team working. Team working. When you are working in the software industry, the team of people are working. A particular problem will be solved by a team of people. That a teamwork kind of understanding, teamwork kind of logics must understand. Then only we have the promotions like team leader, project leader, that type of things can come. If you are voluntarily doing by only one person and not worrying about other team members, we will be like a programmer always. We need to have the level-headed person. Means what? Team working analysis is required. Team working analysis is required. So problem solving as a team effort. So I'm writing here problem solving as problem solving in team effort, in teams. Problem solving in teams. What type of problem is coming? who need to solve what problem, how to integrate them. Those kind of things will be habituated in the class. Next, ninth one is called what, influencing skills. That is very, very important. Influencing skills. These are very, very important. Influencing skills are very, very important. Sir, what exactly influencing skills? To get colleagues, clients, your bosses to adopt your solution. See how great word it is. Influencing solution means, suppose there are 10 people are there in your company. 10 people gave the task by your boss, your team leader or your project leader has given. You made a solution. How it is coming, all these things, you made a solution, that is the best solution. How to get it? It all depends on the problem skills. These are all coming from the faculty only. These are all the innovative skills. These are all the skills to be adopted by the faculty only. And these words you might not be heard about in our previous, anywhere else in your career. And if you are habituating these kind of things, serious students I'm talking about, that's what I'm talking about. 80% of the students I'm talking. Actually, of course, you don't mind. As on today, our academic situation, our traditional education system, after the BTech is over, how much percent of the people are getting the job? I can't imagine. It is in the fractions. It is in the fractions. After getting trained, it is getting only 10%. Then what about that 90%? We can't imagine their future. We don't want that. Yes, that's what we are talking about it. Our education system has to completely change. What these skills has to be provided. Okay, whatever it is, we cannot change it by yourself or myself. We cannot change. You cannot become a prime minister, or I cannot become, or somebody can. Whatever the resources are there, with those resources, we must get the skills, and we can 100% we will make it then officially a software engineer to get a job in 2021. So influential skills means what? To get colleagues, right? Colleagues or client. Suppose your company is going to one client. HDFC is your client, and a lot of people as they call for a tender. And your company prepared one solution. Other companies also prepared one solution, and you are going to that HDFC. HDFC people are impressed about your solution. How that solution will come? Because your company is having a good problem-solving developers are there. Good problem-solving team of people are there. The good solving people are making the funds and revenue increasing like anything in companies. Once we have a dummy programmers, what will happen? Layoffs will be there. Whether you heard about it or not, and the companies already started becoming layoffs. They are going to, even company will go, even employees are going. Now you have seen the news in the BBC news or not, I don't know. All the unskilled employees, unskillful people are just removing from last 10 days onwards. The people, unskillful people means what? Those who doesn't have the coding standards. Those who doesn't have the coding, not able to do things. They are saying only words. They are just speaking something. They are all going to be removed. Some lakhs of people are going to lose their jobs. That's why they are coming to once again to this learning process once again. Once our learning stage is over, we cannot come for learning once again. We need to have a self-learning person. That is called what? Initiative skills required. So influencing skills means what? To get the colleagues or client or boss to adopt. So to adopt your solution. So your solution. This is the influencing skills importance. Your solution becomes the influencing to your clients or boss or any of the person. So how to get all these things? A student voluntarily cannot get it. A student is voluntarily cannot get it. These kind of things are going to get it only from the faculty. It is not going to get from any of the other places. Dear students, I hope that this entire thing will make you to understand that, to enter into any good company, what is the most important skill to gain it? What is the most important skill to gain it? Can you tell me once? All of you, can you tell me once what skills are most important to get the job? Come on, Now I am entering into my subject. This kind of concept compulsory I need to tell to you. Then only people can do the changes. Otherwise, we can't buttify the coding, and we can't go to the companies, because companies will conduct nowadays first round itself programming problem solving skill they will conduct. There only 90% of the people are filtered. Fine. These skills are very, very important. Are you following skills? Are you following what I am explaining in the class? Is it easily understandable? Is it easily understandable? Very good. Very good response. Now we are entering into that. Now we are entering into that further discussion. Yes. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for your good response. Yes. Thank you for your good response. Now I am entering into further. Sir, to get this problem solving skills, definitely what is required? Definitely what is required? To solve this problem solving skills. In where are you solving this problem solving skills? To solve this problem solving skills, we require one device. We require one device. What is the device? We require a computer. We require a computer. To solve a problem solving skills, we require a computer. To communicate with to solve a problem solving skills in a computer, we require one language to communicate with the computer. Suppose I want to talk to you. I have a problem. I want to talk to you. I have to talk to you in some language or not? If you know Hindi, I need to speak in English, Hindi. If you know English, I will talk to you in English. If you know Telugu, I will speak to you in Telugu. Something like that. To solve any type of problem, in our computers, compulsory we need a language. To solve any problem solving skills, to solve any problem solving skills, compulsory, it is mandatory. I'm writing, it is mandatory to learn some language, some programming knowledge, some programming language you need to learn. Some programming language you need to learn it. Some programming language you need to learn it. Otherwise, we will not get the job. Because I've seen so many people. Some friends are saying that learn C language. Some friends are saying that learn Python. Some people are saying that learn Java. Some people are saying that learn .NET. So they will do all courses in 1 year. After 1 year is over, they will forget everything. They will forget everything. I'm telling you now. Because I have seen some lakhs of students. I trained some lakhs of students. Yes. These are all waste of your money, waste of your subject, waste of your career, and you will finally come to the frustration. Dear students, I am guiding you, learn problem solving skills, stick on one subject and become a master. Now I am saying, what programming language we need to learn to become a master. You take my words granted, because I am training like this. All my students, they are becoming software engineers, software experts in the industry now. Software industry experts now, if you take my words as granted. Because we are not suggesting today, we are suggesting from 23. First 3 years you leave it. After 3 years, it's a beginning period. From 20 years onwards, our students are working like anything in the software industry. So programming languages required. Programming languages required to solve problem skills, to solve problems. That is nothing but industry requirements. Any language, which languages are required? That is first starting with our career with C language. Generally, this is a olden days terminology. Starting with what? C. Next, people used to learn C++. Next, they used to start with Java. Next, they used to start with what? Nowadays, they are coming with what? Nowadays, from the past 6 to 7 years onwards, we are getting a most popular language now, Python. Python now, they are started learning now. If you carefully understand my point, C programming, C++ programming, Java. Even now, some of the companies are what? 60% or 70% of the companies still conducting the written test in C language only. C language only. Still, 70% of the companies are conducting the written test in C language only. Even some specific, of course, leave the C++, leave the C++, not necessary to learn, because not necessary to learn. Now my guidance starts with what? I am going to recommend to my students. We are going to train the students. First, I am recommending them, because if any initial student is there, now I am recommending to them. If any fresher level student is there, learn first C language. It is my advice. You follow my advice, you will be the number one. Otherwise, you be with me. I am responsible fully to get you the job. Moreover, our Naresh IT is having one of the very good properties there, because they already having a placement cell, especially to our students. We have a big placement cell is there. We are making lot of students training, and they are getting selected in bigger companies. In Naresh IT only we have that type of facility. Yes. So coming to the point of it, now we are going to start teaching from C language onwards. Now the people who teaches Samirpet, they are all called, they don't know anything about the C language. Strictly speaking, I am telling to you once again here, because data structures after that you try to learn if time permits for you, because I am talking about your entire career by satisfying all those properties which I written. So it all depends on our capabilities, because how many people will appreciate this type of logic development or not, I don't know. This is the order of learning actually. So after this you are learning C, you learn it. Later you learn data structures. After that you go for Java, and you go for this Python. Now we started, it is our research subject in my PhD, data structures and algorithms. Now we are entering into the domain of C and data structures. After that, actually I am teaching Java and Python. And this is our research subject, because we are in the higher end courses called Java and Python. Now we are started with, because many of the demands from many of the students, C and data structures also we are entering now. We are entering into C and data structures, which is just left hand, left finger for us to adopt the skills which I explained just in my class. Right? And one more thing I am saying, that this is my recommendation I am saying. Suppose, yes, yeah, Danish, I'm saying to you, suppose you came to my Python class. Suppose if I say to you Python. So to require Python, why some people says that Python is well required, and learning Python no knowledge is required, because we start from learning basics onwards. Right or not? Danish, you some student. So please listen very carefully. Please listen. Danish, you joined Python, because I don't know you are previously what you know, what you don't know, I don't know. That's why I will cover from the basics of Python onwards. Yes. Suppose if you are meeting me in the BTech first year only, I say first learn C language, next learn data structures, then next you learn other things. See how you will learn it. This is what I am going to tell you. This is a formula. C data structures, next either Java or Python. If you have a time, if you learn all these things, and you will get a strong minded person, strong logical skills will be improved, and we can enter into the subject like anything, and we can code like anything to get the software job in 2021. This is my recommendation for the people. The other things, what is there in the information technology, that are all going to be left hand, left finger in the software industry. They are not at all difficult. Now, as a part of our class, this 15 days, 10 to 15 days timing, I used to talk about the coding with the C language. I used to start with the C language. I used to start with the discussion of C language. Later, I will touch the parts of Java as well as Python also. First, we start our discussion with the C language here. We start our discussion first with what? C language, as well as we touch the logics of Java as well as Python also. So it is the first 15 days, 10 to 15 days duration. We are talking, it is a completely free. It is a completely free. It is not at all taking a single NP. It is a completely free because you are going to listen the logics and concepts of C language where we are going to enter into the further data structures related kind of concept. It is all making the students to get how logically to improve to get the job in 2021, because already you people are in my classes Python and Java, and after that it is going to be enter into further classes. So dear students, today we learned up to what? Today we learned up to what? What are the skills required for problem solving logic? Dear students, is it able to be understandable in my class? To solve any problem solving skills, compulsory what is required? To solve problem solving skills, if you want to get it, what you need to learn? Some programming language you need to learn. Maybe you learned Python, maybe you learned Java. Still, I am saying to enter into the software industry, either Java required or Python compulsory required. But I am saying to you, learn C and data structures also. For what purpose? For what purpose? To have the high-end safety in your software industry. High-end safety in the software industry. That is my advice for many of the people. Many of my students who are coming to our classes, I used to advise. After learning C and DS, you see how confidently you will learn it. After learning C and DS, you learn how confidently you will learn Java. Okay. So anyhow, whatever it is happened. Now we are going to at least open our eyes and then try to get the good jobs in the software industry. And I covered these many number of very good points. These points are going to be explained in the class. Explained in the class with the logics. So coming to the point of it now, this is almost I used to take class daily for 10 to 15 days. I'm going to talk. 2 o'clock it is going to start. 2 p.m. it is going to start, and it is going to end with 3:30 p.m. That is 1.5 hour class it is going to take. It is called 1 hour, 30 minutes. I'm going to take the class daily. 1 hour 30 minutes I'm going to take the class, because I have 4 o'clock some Python class is there, 6 o'clock Python class is there, again 8 o'clock Python class is there. This is going to be between 10 to 15 days. 10 to 15 days I'm going to talk, which is absolutely free. If any of your friends are there, please tell them to utilize our classes. I hope that you people understand what exactly my classes in today. So tomorrow I'm going to introduce the importance of C language in the software industry. Importance of C language in the software industry, and how we are going to learn problem solving skills using C language. Is the agenda of this class is understandable? Is the agenda of this class is understandable? Yes, ma Venkateshwar Reddy, I told you here only. See that 10 to 15 days I told you, na Venkateshwar. Is the agenda of this class is understandable for everything? Ma? Yes. So please follow this 10 to 15 days agenda, and then we are going to enter into the class like anything, and we will do miracles in the classroom. And how we are going to enter into the class, you cannot imagine how we are going to enter into the class. So dear students, I will stop the class, and tomorrow class we will enter into sharp 2 o'clock. Sharp 2 o'clock we will enter, and tell to many of the friends, tomorrow sharp 2 o'clock I will enter into the class, and we start the introduction to C programming. We will go for it. So any of the doubts you have, you can ask me. Now I'll stop the class. Tomorrow sharp 2 o'clock we will enter into the class. Same link you use, we will go for it. Even notes also I will share with you people. Tomorrow I'm entering into the C language subject. I'm entering C language subject. We are entering. Yes, Uday Bhaskar, data structures also we are entering next. We are entering into the data structures next. data structures concept next. After the C language is over, we will enter into the data structures concept also. Fine. Yes. Yes, ma. We are going to solve. Sumit Singh, we are going to solve it in the class. Problems and solving. How to do it, I will explain in the class. I will give the type of special training for you. Special training for you, I will give you. Yes. Yeah, follow my guidelines completely, and then you will become an extraordinary candidate, extraordinary student. Fine. Yeah, first we will start with core Java, later advanced Java we will be entering. Vaibhav. First core Java, later advanced Java. Yes, ma'am. First, let me complete the C language. Later, we will think about the data structures. First, let us complete this 10 to 15 days C language. Then I will go for data structures. First, I will talk about the analytical skills. Main focus is on analytical skills, how to improve your coding standards. That is the main agenda of this class. Please tell to many of your friends, tell about our classes, tell about our classes. They will utilize my classes. No problem. Nauman, no problem. Whoever is weak in the logics, whoever is weak in the logic, zero programming logic, follow me, you will get the perfect knowledge. I'm saying to you now, believe it and make it granted. Tell to many of your friends about our KVR classes. Right. I'm a Java faculty and Python faculty originally. In the same institute, Java faculty as well as Python faculty. You please, I'm entering into this area, which we are already used in my research level, and we are entering. Yes. Yes, ma. Raju, we are entering, ma. We are going to start. We are going to start, ma. We are going to start. Raju, we are going to start. Yes, ma. Sohel, yeah. Yes, after learning C++ also, we can learn data structures. No problem. We can learn it. For any student, logic building is very, very important. Without the logic building, we cannot enter into anywhere else. Dhruva Kumar, first utilize my 15 days classes. C language logics, you try to get it in my class. What topics I am entering, how we are entering, you please try to learn it. Later we will take care about it. Yes, don't worry about it. Yes. Thank you for your compliments, ma. Thank you for your compliments. Yes, ma. Satish, I'm a Java faculty actually. I'm a Java faculty, which I can teach these things like anything for you. That I want to cover to my students from the root level onwards. Root level to advanced level, I want to take. That's why we started this type of decision making. So, yeah, no problem. We start from this place onwards. Right. Dhruva Kumar, 10 to 15 days free, I told you, Nama. 10 to 15 days free. 10 to 15 days free. I'm going to come to the class. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your explanation. Thank you for your compliments. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, ma. Satish. Thank you, ma. Which is we are going to intimate very shortly. We are going to start very shortly. Java courses will start. Python course will start. Utilize my C sessions first. You utilize my C sessions. Please utilize. Right. Yes, ma. Rohit. Thank you. Rishi. Thank you. Yes. For competitive writing in the system test in the companies, we require to learn C logics. That's why I'm conducting 10 to 15 days free. Right. Yes, ma. Sumit, we are going to do it in the class, ma. Sumit Singh, we are going to do it in the class. Yes, 100%. We do it. Kaushin Akhtar, we will tell you, ma. Don't worry, ma. Kaushin, first you try to utilize my free sessions, na. Try to get it. We are not asking anything, na. Let us utilize. Freely you come and join and then utilize. Right. So, such type of classes from me, you will not get again. 10 to 15 days, you try to utilize very perfectly. Try to get it. Fine. Shub, SHUB, Shub. In free, we get DS also, no, ma. Only C language kind of logics I will explain. Okay. Yes, ma. Same link. The same link you use. The same link you use, students. Same link you use. For all the 15 days, same link. You try to log in 2 o'clock sharp. 2 o'clock sharp you come. Yes. Jitender. Yes, ma. It's helping you like anything in Cisco. Python coding is useful. And my classes are very much helpful to you. Yes, ma. Jitender. It will help you like anything. It will helpful to you like anything. In 8 o'clock today, new batch is there. New batch Python is there today, 8 o'clock. If you want, you can attend that session. Today, 8 o'clock, we have a new session. You can contact in the office. You can attend today new session for Python. 9 o'clock. 8 p.m. We have a new batch Python today. Amit Agarwal, C language is compulsory for news. In Java, they are conducting some companies. C programming test they are conducting. C programming. Yes, ma. Aniket Chafel. 8 p.m. batch link is there, ma. Please find out from the office. They will give you 8 p.m. batch link to Python. New batch is started today. New batch Python is there. If you want, you can go for it. Yes, ma. Our classes, we won't keep it in the YouTube. We don't keep, because these are all very much informative classes. These are the deep industry-based classes. We will not keep into that. Ambika, we are going to start very shortly. Java classes we are going to start. Ma. Morning batch 1 is over, which is going to start very shortly. Ambika, we will intimate to you. Yes. Yes. Yes, ma. Thank you. Good day. Yes, ma. Raju, what is your doubt, ma? Raju, tell me, ma. Raju, keep post your doubt, ma. Raju. Yes, ma. Yeah, Raju, I will take care, ma. After this lockdown is open, when we come to the physical classes, I will take care about it. Okay, don't worry, Raju. You don't worry. I will be there, na. I'll take care about it. Once placement started in the office, we will take care. You meet me personally. I will take care of it. Okay. Kaushin, we will start, ma. Very shortly, we will start. Okay. Kaushin, we will start, ma. Okay, na. Fine. Yes, ma. Rohit, evening 8 o'clock, we are started just 2 days back, ma. New batch only it is. If you want, you can attend the evening session today. 8 p.m. you attended today, evening session, so that you will get much knowledge from that class. Right, right. Tarun, yes, ma. Yes. You will get more easily problem solving skills. I will explain. Fine. Okay. We will stop the class, and the next class tomorrow, sharp 2 o'clock, we will enter into the class. Pooja, our head. You please contact in the office. No, they will give you the 8 p.m. link. 8 p.m. link they will give you. You can attend the session also. Yes, ma. Sri R. Our office team people will send you. Our technical team will send to you the notes what I discussed in the class. Yeah. Contact in the office for 8 p.m. link of Python today. Okay. Right. Kiran Bakle. These recording we don't provide in YouTube. We don't provide in YouTube like other places. Especially my class, we don't keep it in because these are all informative classes. Because they are we can't say about other kind of classes. These are all very informative. We can't keep it. Yes. Yes, ma. Anything else? Contact in the office, ma. KVR classes, upcoming batches you asked. Kiran, KVR classes, upcoming batches you asked. Hemanath P, same. When it is starting, you find out from the office. Aditya, you see, ma, as a fresher, I am recommending to the fresher to learn Java and Python. Java and Python, so that in both the areas you can get the opportunities. In both the areas you can get the opportunity. That is my recommendation for everybody. It is my recommendation to everybody. As a fresher, you will try to learn multiples so that you will get the multiple knowledge on multiple fields. So you are perfect. Okay, right. So, okay, we'll talk about the next. We'll enter into the next discussion. Yes, ma. Hemanath P. In further after the Python, we will start. Okay. After the Python, we will start that things. Hemanath P. Yes, ma. Uday Bhaskar. Uday Bhaskar. I'm telling to you, ma, as a fresher, which is anything you learn. Uday Bhaskar. Anything you learn first, it is not a problem. It depends on the teacher how they will teach you. Because I told you some skills here. These skills, if they teach, it's good. If you learn anything first, if they don't teach, nah, it's waste of time. That's what I'm saying. So regarding that gap of academics, I will tell you in the further classes. Regarding the gap, I will tell you in the further classes. Okay, fine. Thank you. Good day. Now I'm stopping the class. Tomorrow, sharp 2 o'clock, we will meet in the class. Good day for all of you. Yeah. For 10 to 15 days, it is free, ma. I'm saying to you 10 to 15 days, this utilize my classes completely free. Tell to the friends. Right. Good day. Tomorrow I will start the actual subject. Please don't miss the class. We will enter into the subject part tomorrow. Right.